In the heart of the lush Serengeti lived Mala, a graceful deer with a gentle spirit and sharp senses. Mala had two playful fawns, Lalu and Simi, who brought boundless joy and occasional heartaches. One sunny afternoon, as the family grazed near a shimmering waterhole, Mala felt an unsettling presence. Her instincts instantly alerted her. It was Hondo, the cunning hyena known for his predatory prowess. Scanning the horizon, Mala saw Hondo's shadow creeping closer. With a swift nudge, she signaled Lalu and Simi to remain quiet and close. The family slowly moved towards the denser vegetation, hoping to blend with the undergrowth. But Hondo had spotted them. The hunt was on. With his sinister eyes locked on the vulnerable fawns, Hondo began his chase. Panic-stricken but steadfast, Mala led her children through narrow trails and thick bushes. Knowing that outrunning Hondo was futile, Mala orchestrated a plan. She guided Lalu and Simi to a thicket with shrubs thick enough to hide them. Standing at the entrance, she concocted a decoy strategy. Mala took a deep breath and bolted towards an open field, putting on a desperate display of exhaustion. Hondo took the bait, enthralled by the chase. He darted after Mala, leaving the hidden fawns unscathed.